Just woke up in the van next to these little buddies. That's Jasper, Goldie, and this view. Not too bad. Well, this is about as glamping as it gets. Big thanks to my buddy Brian for letting me crash out on his property in Santa Fe. What an epic dude to let me enjoy this view for a moment or two. Wow. It's gonna be a good day. All right, well, time to make the coffee. I like the Mexican organic. I actually had Mexican coffee for the first time in Santa Fe, and this is actually where I am now, which is an interesting memory that I just realized. I was with my grandparents a long time ago, and it was Thanksgiving. We came for Thanksgiving, and it was really cool because it snowed, and I had never seen Santa Fe, and I was mesmerized. It actually was something that I think kind of triggered my travel buzz or bug, and then I thought it was so cool. And then it snowed a little bit, and there was snow on top of the adobe buildings, and if you've never seen that, it's so unbelievably beautiful and something to definitely come check out. So I'm gonna let this stuff get going, and we'll have coffee shortly. All right, I think we're about ready to go. All right, let's go check this place out. I rolled in really late last night. I had a kind of crazy detour, and I'm not even going to talk about that because I don't think anybody on YouTube is here to hear people's detour trouble story situations, but it's all good, and we're here now. I wanted to come out here with this coffee and enjoy this first view. This is unreal. So I have a very dear and gracious friend in Fort Worth, Texas, and he loves Santa Fe. If you've been to New Mexico, it kind of has one of those magical pull places on you. It's really interesting. I've even met some Native Americans, and I'm part Native American, Cherokee actually, and you know, the Native Americans have told me that there are places out here in New Mexico that have like an energetic magnetic field, and sometimes as a tribe they would go to kind of like hang out there and like feel the energy from the earth. You know, some people call it like earthing or grounding. I think the Native Americans are kind of like the OG people to do that, though, maybe, in our country anyway. And yeah, the place definitely has a magic. And my buddy Brian, who owns this place, he definitely feels that. Look at these. This is really cool. These are massive pieces of petrified wood. As you enter, you get to walk through these ancient pieces of wood that have been here for who knows how long. I know petrified wood is millions and millions of years old. But wow, what a cool place. And how grateful I am to be allowed to come enjoy it for a little bit. All right, guys. Grandpa did an epic job too. Grandpa's the name of my van, actually. So I'm not referring to my actual grandfather, but yeah, it was high winds coming in. A big storm blew through. All right. By the beard of Zeus, that's a good view. I'm thinking I need to work a little harder. Have to come check out and give my respects to where Anthony Bourdain ate when he was in Santa Fe. It looks super good, so we're gonna find out. Deschutes, fresh squeezed, one of my faves. Okay, so more of my buddy's house. It's just too freaking rad. Look at this view that he has. He lives in a freaking spaceship. Look at this thing. Super rad. Hey. Even a dog knows how good the view is. Well, she's not any dog. It's Goldie. She's pretty awesome. Check this out. Man, again, how cool is it to have a buddy that'll be like, yeah, dude, you can park your van at my house. Sick. Time to get cookie. Jasper, you gonna stay in here where it's warm and cozy? Is nature not your thing? Hey man, I'm just glad you're having fun. Pretty sweet way to end this night. Hey Goldie, you having fun?